We're doing application of derivatives. Exercise 4.1. We got to find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the curve at given points. So this y equal to 3x square minus x plus 1 is the equation of the curve is y equal to 3x square minus x plus 1. So what we have to do is, you have to find an equation. So whenever you have to find the equation of a tangent or a normal, it is supposed to be a line. Equation of a line in slope point form is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. That is the equation of a line in slope point form. So the point has already been assigned here. Only thing is you have to find the slope and use the concept of equation of a line in slope point form. So if you do differentiate with respect to x, I think we should get dy by dx equal to d by dx or 3x square minus x plus 1. I think this will be 6x minus 1. Then we will find dy by dx at 1 comma 3, meaning in the place of x you have to put 1, in the place of y you have to put 3, but we are not having y here. So I will write here 6 into 1 minus 1. So dy by dx equal to 5. So slope of the tangent at point 1 comma 3 is 5. So slope is nothing but alphabet m. So equation of the tangent at point 1 comma 3 and m equal to 5 is supposed to be y minus y1, that is equal to m into x minus x1. This is x1 and this is y1. So I will say this is y minus 3 equal to 5 into x minus 1. So I get y minus 3 equal to 5x minus 5, 0 equal to 5x minus y minus 2. Therefore, the equation will be 5x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. So the first part of the sum is there, find the equation of the tangent is done. Now what you have to do, you have to find the equation of the normal. Okay. So slope of the normal is the negative reciprocal of slope of the tangent, because a tangent and a normal, they are always perpendicular to each other. So you must have done in equation of a line previous year, that is the last year in FIJC, that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, if one slope is a by b, the other slope will be the negative reciprocal, which is minus b upon a. एक लाइन का स्लोप एक a by b रहेगा, तो दूसरा जो लाइन का स्लोप रहेगा वो उसका नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल रहेगा. तो a by b का रेसिप्रोकल क्या रहेगा, b by a, and you have to put that minus. इसमें the slope is 5 दिया है ना, that take it as 5 by 1. So 5 by 1 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या रहेगा, 1 by 5, और नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल means minus 1 by 5. So we have to find the equation of normal at point, same point 1 comma 3, and what is the slope of the normal? Slope of the normal is minus 1 by 5 and slope is denoted by the alphabet m. So we have to use equation of a line in slope point form, that is y minus y1, which is equal to m into x minus x1. This is x1, this is y1. ये x1 है, ये y1 है. y minus 3 minus 1 upon 5 x minus 1, cross multiply. You get 5y minus 15 equal to minus x plus 1. You get x plus 5y minus 16 equal to 0. Given equation of the curve is 2x square plus 3y square equal to 5. What we have to do is we have to differentiate with respect to x. So we get d by dx of 2x square plus d by dx of 3y square equal to d by dx of 5. This is 4x plus 6y dy by dx equal to derivative of 5 will be 0. So we get 6y dy by dx equal to 4x को वहाँ ले लो, it becomes minus 4x. So we get dy by dx equal to minus 4x upon 6y. So we get dy by dx equal to minus 2x upon 3y, and you want to find the equation at which point 1 comma 1. So dy by dx at 1 comma 1, that is minus 2 into 1 upon 3 into 1. Therefore dy by dx equal to minus 2 by 3. Therefore I will say that the slope of the tangent at 1 comma 1 is minus 2 by 3. Equation of the tangent at 1 comma 1, sorry, and m equal to minus 2 by 3 is y minus y1, which is equal to m into x minus x1. This is x1 and this is y1. So y minus 1 equal to minus 2 by 3, x minus 1, cross multiply, 3y minus 3 equal to minus 2x plus 2. So I get 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Now, slope of the normal at point 1 comma 1 is minus 2 by 3 का negative reciprocal will be 3 by 2. So a tangent and a normal, they are perpendicular to each other. So I will say equation of a normal at point 1 comma 1 and slope is m, which is 3 by 2. You have to use a slope point form y minus y1, which is equal to m into x minus x1, y minus 1, 3 by 2, x minus 1, 2y minus 2 equal to 3x minus 3. So 0 equal to 3x minus 2y minus 1. So we get 3x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Equation of the curve. X square plus y square plus xy equal to 3. So we have to do differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of x square, d by dx of y square, d by dx of xy equal to d by dx of 3. So the derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of y square is 2y, dy by dx. xy is to be done by u into v, meaning x d by dx of y plus y d by dx of x, and derivative of 3 will be equal to 0. So I get 2x plus 2y dy by dx plus x derivative of y is dy by dx. Y, derivative of x is 1, that is equal to 0. So I'll write all dy by terms on the left. So 2y dy by dx, x dy by dx on the left, and non dy by dx I will take it to the right. Dy by dx 2y plus x equal to minus 2x minus y. Dy by dx equal to minus 2x minus y, the whole upon x plus 2y. Dy by dx at, what is the point? 1 comma 1. That will be minus 2 into 1 minus 1, the whole upon 1 plus 2 into 1. So that is equal to minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 upon 3. The slope will be 1. Therefore, slope of tangent at point 1 comma 1 is minus 1. So, and slope is denoted by m. So the equation will be y minus y1 will be equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 1 equal to minus 1 into x minus 1. Y minus 1 equal to minus x plus 1. So we get this as x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Now, the slope of the normal at 1 comma 1 is, see, what is the slope of the tangent? Minus 1. And minus 1 means minus 1 upon 1 होता है. Minus 1 upon 1 का negative reciprocal, पहला तो reciprocal आएगा 1 by 1, minus का बनेगा plus, that is equal to 1. Therefore, the slope will be equal to 1. So, equation of normal, it is y minus y1 m x minus x1, y minus 1 equal to 1 into x minus 1. We get y minus 1 equal to x minus 1, cut, we get y equal to x. Therefore, the equation will be x minus y equal to 0. Now, we have to find the equation of tangent and normal. So, equation of tangent and normal, if you have to find, you need two things. One is you need a point and second is you need a slope. Where is the point? Point is not given. So, we will make an assumption. Let P x1 y1 be a point on the curve. So, equation of the curve will be y1 equal to x1 square plus 5. Because the point x1 y1 lies on the curve, so it must satisfy the equation. Therefore, the equation you have to change it in terms of x1 and y1. So the equation will be y के जगह में y1 डालो, x के जगह में x1 डालो and plus 5. Now, again, y equal to x square plus 5. This is a very important equation. It will be helpful for finding the values of x1 and y1. You will come to know a bit later. So I will find dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to d by dx of x square plus 5. So we will have dy by dx equal to x square का derivative 2x है, 5 का derivative 0 है, and then we will find dy by dx at x1 y1. That will be equal to x के जगह में x1 डालो. Okay, this is nothing but the slope of the tangent, which is equal to 2x1. See, इसके पहले हम लोग कैसा सम करता था? First, the question gives you the equation of a curve. we find the derivative of the curve. After having found the derivative of the curve, we substitute the coordinates in it. The moment you substitute the coordinates in it, you get the slope of the tangent. So same thing I have done. Equation of the curve is here. I have found the derivative, and in that I have substituted x के जगह में x1 and y के जगह में y1 because I don't know the coordinates. If I don't know the coordinates, how am I supposed to substitute? So what if this would have been 1, 2? I think I could have written here 1. If this would have been 4, 8, I could have written here 4. But unfortunately, they have not given the coordinates. With the coordinates not given to you, you cannot find the slope of the tangent directly. So you will get the slope of the tangent as 2x1. They have given a equation of a line. What is the equation of the line given to you? 4x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. What is the slope? The slope of this line will be minus a by b, which is equal to minus 4 upon minus 1. The slope is 4. Now, this line the line 4x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 is parallel to the tangent. Therefore, slope of the tangent will be equal to 4. I think you must be knowing this property, that if two lines are parallel to each other, they will have the same slope. So, if the slope of the line 4x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 is 4, the slope of the line parallel to it will also be 4. So, what is the line parallel to it? The line parallel to it is the tangent. So, the slope of the tangent will also be equal to 4. So, can I say that this is the slope of the tangent? 2 also shows the slope of the tangent. 3 also shows the slope of the tangent. So, what I will do is, I will compare 1 and 2. If I compare 1 and 2, I get 2x1 equal to 4. So, I get x1 equal to 2. Unless and until you are not able to find out the coordinates, you cannot find the equation, because the equation is specifically in slope point form. Slope point form itself indicates that you need a slope and you need a point. Okay. So now, having got the value of x1 as 2, I think subsequently we will have to find the value for y1. So what I will do is, I will substitute x1 equal to 2 in 1. If I put it in 1, I get y1 equal to x1 square plus 5. y1 equal to x1 is 2 na, so 2 square plus 5. Therefore, I will get the value of y1 as 9. Is it okay? Is this okay? 2 square 4 4 plus 1, 4 plus 5 is 9. Therefore, the point will be 2, 9. Therefore, the point on the curve is 2, 9, because x1 is 2, y1 is 9. Therefore, the point will be 2, 9. Now, let's first find the equation of tangent. So, equation of tangent के लिए first thing you need is, you need the slope of the tangent. Can I say that the slope of the tangent was dy by dx, that was equal to 2x1. So you get dy by dx at 2, 9, that is equal to 2 into 2, and that is equal to 4. You can find the slope like this if you are smart. I think I have written here slope of the tangent is 4. You can copy directly, no problem. How were we finding previously? एक इक्वेशन दिया रहेगा, एक कोऑर्डिनेट दिया रहेगा, जो इक्वेशन दिया रहेगा उसका डेरिवेटिव मारेगा, और डेरिवेटिव में we will replace x with x coordinate, replace y with y coordinate, we get the value for dy by dx, and that dy by dx is nothing but the slope of the tangent. Then we use equation of a line in which form? Slope point form. which is defined as y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Therefore, equation of tangent at 2, 9 and slope which is m equal to 4 will be y, ये x1 है और ये y1 है, y minus 9, y minus y1 meaning y minus 9 equal to 4 into x minus 2. So we get y minus 9 equal to 4x minus 8. I am doing it directly. We get 4x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This will be the equation of the tangent. The second part of the sum is we have to find the equation of normal. Okay. So उसके लिए पहला we need slope of the normal. So first you check what is the slope of the tangent. I think the slope of the tangent was actually 4. 4 means 4 by 1. So what will be the slope of the normal? Slope of the normal will be the negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent. So 4 by 1 का negative reciprocal will be 1 by 4. And equation of normal at point, I think we got it as 2, 9, okay, and slope minus 1 by 4. So the equation will be y minus y1 which is equal to m into x minus x1. This is x1 and this is y1. This is y minus 9 minus 1 upon 4 x minus 2 cross multiply 4y minus 9 equal to minus x plus 2. We get this as x plus 4y minus 11 equal to 0.